Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Craigslist. Now, if you wish to change the language for this website, you can either log into your account if you wish to do so, but you can also change the language without logging in. At the top right corner, alongside the account button, you will see the language drop-down menu. Just click on this drop-down menu and you will see the various different languages that are available. Just click on your desired language and the interface will be changed to this language right away. If you wish to change this language once again, you can come back to the same menu and click on the drop-down button to choose your desired language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within your Craigslist account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.